So today I am discussing about the contra entry. Contra entry. So there are basically three type of treatment is there. Treatment 1, treatment 2 and treatment 3. First one is the cash deposited into the bank. If I deposited my money to the bank, this is the first one. Second one is if I withdraw money from the bank for office use. Put underline the office use, not for the personal use. Third one is the check received today and today put the underline and the deposited tomorrow onwards. What does it mean tomorrow onwards? Suppose today I am taking any check and due to the any reason if it is not possible to deposit a check into the bank and I deposited the check today tomorrow onwards, then it will be the contract. This is the third one. This is the more important one. So I can solve these three type of treatment in a single question. So at first you read the question. From the following transaction, prepare the cash book for the month of Jan 2020. So Jan 1, the cash deposited into the bank, number 1. Number 2, Jan 2 is cash withdrawn from the bank for office use. Number 2. Number 3 is the check received from X. Keep in your mind, check received from X. So today means the 3rd Jan, I am receiving a check from X 3000. But see, on this particular day means the Jan 3, it is not possible and I am depositing the check into the Jan 7. When I am depositing the excess check into the bank, dated is the 7th January. So this is the treatment third. Third treatment is applying here. So excess check deposited into the bank. Okay. So now I am going to the double column cash book for solution. Now I am making the cash book. So you know the double column cash book format. This is a very simple format, ledger format. So this is a debit, this is a credit. Here I am writing the cash book is a double column. Double column. Here is the date, second one is the particulars, third one is LF, this is cash, this is bank. Again this is date, this is particulars, this is LF, this is cash and this is bank. Clear on this? So now is Jan 1. So 2020 I am putting here and the Jan 1. Jan 1 is cash deposited into the bank. What is the journal entry for the cash deposited bank? So bank account debit to cash account. So this is the treatment of Jan 1. So cash account debit. So you go to the cash column. Cash account how much? 5000 is debit and cash is debit. Cash deposited into the bank. Sorry. When I am depositing cash deposit in bank means the bank account debit to cash account credit. So bank account debit how much? 5000 and cash account is credit 5000. At first you put the money, then you go for the contra entry in the ledger folio column. Okay. Now the date is Jan 1. Now here you write 5000 is in the bank column, that is why this is to cash account. And here you write by bank account. Clear? Here you write 2020 Jan 1. So first one is clear. This is contra entry. And for the contra entry, both side you write C. C denoted as the contra entry. Clear? Second one is the Jan 2. What is the journal entry for the Jan 2? Cash withdrawal from bank for office use. If you cash withdraw from the bank for office use, what is happening? Your cash balance is increasing and your bank balance is decreasing. We know that. But cash balance increase, you put in the right side, and when cash balance decrease, you go to the right side. Again, when the bank balance increases, you put in the debit side of the cash book. When the bank balance is decreasing, this is go to the credit side of the bank account. So when cash withdrawn from the bank for office use, means is that the cash account debit to bank account. Okay, how much amount? 4,000 is there. So cash comes in, so that is why cash balance is increasing, is debit, and bank balance is decreasing because your money is you are withdrawn from the bank, your bank balance is decreasing. That is why 4,000. Again the same entry, as this is a contra entry, so you put C. Now you put the date Jan 2. Here you write as cash balance is there. 4,000 is in the cash column. That is why you write to bank account. And here amount is bank column is there. That is why you write by cash account. Clear on this part? Now Jan 3. Check received from rupees. Checks received from X rupees 3,000. If I check received from X 3,000 and it is not possible to deposit check into the bank due to any reason, so assume that you are keeping 3,000 rupees in your cash wallet. So that is your cash balance will increase. So what will be the journal entry? So cash account debit to X account. Cash account debit to X account. So here in this situation, your cash balance will be increased. How much? 3,000. So here you write to X account. Jan 3. Clear? Now I am going to the Jan 7. When excess check you are depositing into the bank, means is that when I am depositing the check into the bank Jan 7, means is that your cash balance 3,000 is reducing. Practically you think your cash balance is reducing. So if your cash balance reduced and if you deposit your money to the bank, then definitely your bank balance will increase. So that is why bank amount, you put this amount 3,000 in the bank column. Clear? And 3,000 is in your balance was increased on the 3rd Jan. Now your cash balance is reduced. So that is why cash will be credited. So now what is the entry? What is the entry? The cash account debit to the 3rd entry was this. The 4th entry is when you are depositing to the bank, then bank account debit to cash account. This is contra entry. For this, what will be the journal entry? Bank account debit to cash account. Now bank account debit to cash account. Now you have to write. You put 3,000 here. Now here you have to write to cash account. This is contra entry. And here again you write by bank account. This is contract. Put the date 7. So these are the application of contra entry. Now the normal rules, you have to close the ledger. You have to close the ledger and you have to find out the closing balance. Okay. How you can close the ledger? 5,000 plus 3,000 is 7,000. You bring in the opposite side. 5 and 3,000 is 8,000. Here you bring 8,000. Then 4 and 3, 7,000. So 1,000 is the balance. Now here you write to balance CD. Okay. Now close the ledger and bring 1,000 here. By balance BD. Now you have to close the bank column. So see, debit side total is higher than the credit side total. So 5,000 plus 3,000 is 8,000. Put here 8,000. So 8,000 minus 4,000, your balance will be the 4,000. So now here you write by balance CD 4,000. Close the ledger. Bring 4,000 here. And here you write to balance. Here you write to balance the check. So any question about this? So these are the basically the practical application of the contra entry. The next video you will see the dishonor of the check and the endorsement of the check. Okay, bye.